at my view.
Smell of your perfume. I thought I was immune. Looking around this room, can't help but see the traces of you. This moment is surreal. I can put into words how
I need your loving, so fresh, so clean. Love me in and out. I'm feeling lean. And
Hello Habibis, welcome and welcome back to another YouTube video. But before that, I need my microphone. I've got some juicy things to tell you. Alright? First of all, please don't mind the background noise. That's my washing machine doing its thing. First thing, talk to me about the quality. The quality is giving. Like the quality, hello, can you see me? Can you hear me? Can you see me? Yes, we finally got that new camera. This camera, I've been praying for it for the last years. Literally 1 year, 2 years, I don't know, since it came out. Like, I just was vibing with this because I was like, I need something compatible, something small, something nice, and this is what I wanted. And the next thing is the microphone, the voice. That's what we wanted. We wanted quality. Otherwise, period. First things first. If you are new here, welcome and welcome back to Nanji's YouTube video. I know it's been 10, 11, 12 days, maybe, and I've been a bit lost. Honey, I was moving. Yes, we were doing the big move. I moved to my new apartment. And let me tell you, can you see the happiness in my face? Yeah. It is stunning. But first, let's rewind. Let's go back to where it all began, in my little tiny home. It all began in that little tiny home where all the magic that I was doing for you guys on YouTube started there. And I was so excited. I was so excited about everything about that house. Like, that house was really amazing because it was my first unfurnished bedroom, meaning I was creating magic in that house, literally furnishing everything. But now I moved to another one, which is even more stunning. On this video, actually, I'm gonna show you a fully furnished house. Why? Because I did not have time to show you guys the unfurnished. And the unfurnished, you won't see the dream, you won't see the it of the house until I furnish it. But now it's furnished. Look at my new, let me stand up so that you can see. Look at this picture. I mean, what do you think? I love it for me. But I don't want to be talking because I know you guys don't like to be bored. I know you guys don't like to be bored by my talking, but I just wanted to give you an overview. So let's go back to when I was packing my stuff from my old apartment.
there was nobody, no one that would run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Living lovely. She's lovely. I wanna be with you. Ay, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Ay, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Me, just love me. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got you.
Hello, Habibis. Welcome to my crib. Welcome and welcome back to another YouTube video. Another banger. Hey, another banger. So I've been busy, right? I've been extremely busy. I couldn't even post for the last few days. Shame on me, but it's because we moved, and today is actually move-in date. It was stressful. Look at my eyes. It was extremely stressful, but I want to show you a quick house tour, and I don't feel like talking, so what I'm gonna do is just I'm gonna do a visual, and then I'm gonna do a voiceovers. So enjoy. But one thing, come. Look at my view.
Don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold up. We gon' function. No assumption. Feeling like Tyson with it. Look at how Tyson with it. Only for the night, I'm kidding. Only for life, yeah. Only for life, yeah. Only for life, let's get it. Hit that shoulder, me. I know what coming over me. Backstroke overseas. I know what you need. Already on 10, all money come in. All feeling go out. This feeling don't drought. This party won't end. If I didn't ride blade on her, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100. Don't got you, I got nothing.
Run for my money. There is nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Living lovely. Just love.
I wanna be with you. 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 I wanna be with you.
Me just love.
Young and fine and dark and handsome, the boy from South Detroit came singing. I can't keep my panties from dropping. He's so fly. Moving so fast to hurt yourself. I can't keep up with all the lies you tell yourself. You kinda cute, but way too much to play yourself. I'm not the one, but we can still pretend this can't be my man. You say you feel different when you with me, tell me anything. Compliment my energy, it's different laying next to me. All I ask is don't make me pull up and get the dope. You know I can't get no fucks. You know with all the rugged heavy. Young and fine and dark and handsome, the boy west side of Compton came walking in. I can't keep my panties from dropping. He's so fly. Ooh, he bossy, ooh, he quit walking to me, just lost, and then he slapped me on the way that I got no problem. He get too back in me, got all that action, call and Mr. Handle it. You know I'm hella different from them chickens you've been tricking on. Can be a ride or die, get thuggish, rugged, bold. Looking boy, I'm good in every hood. Trick it, fed up, rolling backwards. Flip the shot and show you what it would be like if you my man. Young and fine and dark and handsome, the boy from South or somewhere came walking in. I can't keep my panties from dropping. He's so fly. Moving money fast, tryna make it last. Moving money fast, tryna make it last. Ecstasy is just a pill away. Wrap it up or you can screw today. I'm just tryna hear you say my name. Let her play a role or be a Jane. You could be my toss and toss me up. Other hoes is lacking, call me up. Put my baby back and why I'm stuck. That's why he my man. Young and he fine and he tall and he handsome. Talking so fine, I might hold it for ransom. Put it in drive, I'm not shy, I'm a legend. 'Cause all night, moving money fast, don't make it last. strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've had enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better today than cash today. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. All I got is these broken clocks. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love and still love and still love and still love, still love, still love and still love and still love. Nothing but love for you. Nothing but love. Nothing but love. All that I got is in pages. Talking a lie. Sorry, I'm faded. Think I forgot. You love me. You love me. You love me. Gotta shift at 10 a.m. Gotta dip at 10 p.m. Gotta get that cash. Won't get past the lunch break. I ain't had a smoke break in about 2 days. No break. Been about 3 years since I dated you. Why you still talking about me like we together? I moved on for the better. You moved on to whatever. I was down for whatever and then some. You gon' make me late to work again. Ooh, better day than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. All I got is these broken clocks. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love and still love and still love and still love, still love, still love and still love and still love. Nothing but love for you, nothing but love.